Rehab, I'm just going to show you a few quick videos. This is 2 days after he had his knee replaced, okay? This is in the hospital in the physical therapy room. When was your knee replaced?
Tuesday.
And what's today?
Thursday.
All right. So you can see 2 days later, not using any cane, any walker. He's ready to go home. Probably could have gone home the day before. This is 2 weeks after the operation. This woman had her knee replaced. Her other knee replaced down in the city. Took her about 2 years to recover from, and you can see the shock that she is. She's like shocked that.
I mean, I'm still gimping, but this is 2 weeks. Is that amazing? This is 2 weeks.
So she's shocked because she had her other knee replaced, had a lot of trouble with it, and then we did this one, and she's just like, she can't even get her head around it. All right, and then this is straightening, bending the knee at 2 weeks. I was shocked that he even had surgery. I thought I was in the wrong room. Most people are going home within 2 days, able to drive within a few weeks, usually within 2 to 3 weeks, got rid of any cane or walker. But essentially the point is that we try to do this operation to get people back to doing what they want to do, and that's sort of the main goal.